ban wan pej ye jinglong jingban hakathan langpi khamtam ha umoli kabre ka weni ki jaka ka balami ka kanrum kanram hakini khindiat singi balala namar ka jingthmu jong sarkar asam ban wan tei bat boy ka tempulet ka jongki hak te ka jaka hak arpu pratrik min tau banai ka MLA jong ka boko ka nandita das kalawan ban jurib gala ki jongki khmat hak te ka singi ka te ka MLA kala lai ban jurib ru ki jaka harut ka wa umlon ka ba ha popok snong umoli ya ka ba ka asam kala sha khanglat ban tei ka tempulet hadin bi ki pajba arangkat ki bor district ka west kasil district kimshimla island berkala lejru ban ya kandu ik pajba ka asam ki bidon halauba bad hadin kan ne ketega MLA kala lejru ban jurib ya ki yolangpi habai kran kila pathai khubor yolangpi kanan ditadas kalong ba jingwan ka jongka halangpi kalong ban wan pe jinglong jingman ha ketega thai namar kumba hakini kita yo baladap kala don ka kanrum kanram ka bonra jingbom songsuk songsangan.
I have just come to see the situation. Your situation is not good. You have heard all the things now. One BOP has been sanctioned, but Meghalaya peoples are not allowing us to construct the BOP. So we have to construct it because it is our land. If you see the Survey of India map, then you can find out that all these villages are under our Assam's under our Assam's map. So we want our land back. We don't want any encroachment here. We don't want any communal clash here. We want peace. For that only I have come here. Again, they have to solve the problem also, the border issue. Meghalaya should get their own villages and Assam should also get their own villages. Because it is in our map, Survey of India map. These villages, Umtap, this one Lampi, Upper Lampi, Lower Lampi, Horsanagar, all these villages falls under Assam. Yeah, this is our land. Na? Umali is in Assam. So we should start the work there. Nobody should disturb us because we are working in our own land. We are not encroaching other state or we are not encroaching other land. We are in our own land. Both the chief minister, they should talk, they should discuss and solve this border issue.